Hi CJ, how are you?
How are you? Good.
So what are you making?
This one is bow.
Yeah. So what are you putting inside the bowl?
We putting this T45 flour, right?
Yeah.
And yeast,
Yeah.
salt,
Yeah.
sugar,
Yeah.
milk, water.
Okay. How you make the method this one?
With that, first we need to put this drying. We need to mix dry
Yeah.
ingredients, right?
Yeah.
Then second we put milk and water.
Yeah.
Step by step, little by little, and add little by little water
Yeah.
and milk. Then we need to keep at least like 6 minutes.
Yeah.
In the bowl.
Bow.
Yeah. To
Okay.
make the dough.
Yeah.
Then we need to gain 6 or 7 minutes. It depends on your power.
Okay.
We need to make the dough
Okay. Now you can
by
do that.
hand.
Yeah. So this one is need to make like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many making now?
This one is 3 recipes.
3 recipe.
Yeah.
Show me one more also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the black bowl. Make. So you need to press like that.
Yeah. You need to press like that.
Yeah. Explain. Yeah. Press
After
like that.
You need to stretch like this the dough.
Yeah. Put oil spray.
Yeah. You need to then cut like this
Yeah.
from your hand.
Yeah.
Oil spray.
Yeah.
You need to close like this.
Done. So this is the bow.
Now.
This bow for which bow? You can use chicken. You can use any bow. Any
No,
chicken.
this one is for software dough.
Social one. You can put chicken.
You can put chicken even.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the bow. Thank you.